Hello my friends. Here in southwest Florida, the dragon fruit grows really well, and I've seen it on people's fences and climbing trees. Well, I'm going to show you how to make an attractive trellis for the dragon fruit, and for about less than $20. So let's get started. The trellis for the dragon fruit is very simple, but it has to be designed strong enough to hold a couple 100 pounds. So I'm using pressure treated wood. I've taken an 8-foot length. I'm cutting this into 4 equal parts. And this is going to be the upper structure to hold the canopy. I'm going to run 2 screws in the end of these, but I need to pre-drill so that these won't crack. Now these are going to screw in to the ends. So I'm using a washer and a 4-inch lag screw. The upper square is put together. Now we need a cross member to support the top. .22 5/8. Perfect. After locating center, taking 2 14-inch long blocks, and I'm cutting one corner into a V. Like this. Gonna do the same to the other. And the other end, we make a long cut. Just like that. These 2 pieces are going to go and support the cross member. Now we cut 2 pieces 16.5 inches long, and you see this is forming a parallelogram. Just like that. Okay, this piece is going to go under here, and we're going to slide it up to that point, and we're going to nick this end off right there. and that will be perpendicular like this direction. Now the perpendicular cut is going to be like this, so I leave my saw set at 45 degrees. I check the distance and I can look here, it's at my 1-inch mark. That way I can cut the second one the same length. One-inch mark. 2-inch mark. Setting the top flush. Same way. Set the end flush, top edge flush. The last thing that you have to do with this, because of this pressure treated, the dragon fruit will not want to stick to that. So the chemicals in there will keep it from attaching. So what we're going to do is cover it with a burlap. And the burlap you can either buy in Home Depot or Lowe's, but I get this from the local landscaping company, and they throw these away. The post will be buried 2 feet into the ground, so I'm starting the burlap here. Now I have a piece of cedar, a thin strip. I'm going to lock this down with some nails. These are stainless steel siding nails, and this will secure where the staples aren't. Here's the finished trellis. All that it needs is planted in the ground. And you can see the burlap. This support, I think you could hold an eagle's nest on top of it. It's very solid. Here you have the dragon fruit post or trellis in its final location. Here is the home of the new dragon fruit, and there are 2 starting, and you can see here these will attach and help with the climb, and I have them tied with some strands from the burlap. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.